Hey y'all, it has been a long day. I am really tired. I just got in from Walmart. We went to Walmart and Kroger and Aldi and Sam's today. So, yeah, we covered it. My housemate and I go shopping for groceries and household things and stuff like that on um, the second Wednesday of the month because that's when we have money. Um, and we do all our shopping for the month. So it's a long day and it's tiring, and Wendy's is not settling well with me today. So I had Wendy's for lunch. Um, so yeah, it's not settling. It feels kind of like a brick in my tummy. But it's four. It should be. I should be hungry, but I'm not. I do have a Degusta box I wanted to unbox with you. This is my very first one. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited too. Um, Probably not. There's a lot of Degusta box openings on YouTube. So, um, actually, I got into this from watching YouTube. So, a friend of mine, Candy, I call her a friend of mine, but I haven't met her. I would love to meet her. She's awesome. Candy Fox is awesome. So anyway, this is my first one. Your first box is $10, and after that is $20. See my fancy box cutter? It looks dangerous because it is. Be careful. I'm so excited, y'all. Look at that. Look at it. My housemate's like, that's not a very good name. I was like, I think it's Spanish. Whatever. Open me, eat me, enjoy me. Yay, I'm gonna. So, it's a little heavy, but not too bad. That's what it says. Let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. Are y'all excited? I'm excited. Okay, take that back there so it don't get me. Dun, da, da. Okay, first I have a coupon. $1 off on Maya Kamal sauces or snacks. We will have to look and see what that's all about. Go organic. Okay. Lee. Go organic Lee. Okay. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that. Or that. Oh. 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 Oh, looky. Boom chicka. Sea salt popcorn. Oh. I'm already happy. I got 2 of those. Two. Okay. Over here. And we have man chips. I've never tried these, but I wanted to. So, that's kind of crumbly. I hope not. I bet those would be really good with pita. My goodness, really good with hummus. Okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. Sorry. I got pineapple and mandarin orange, slightly sweetened coconut oil. Coconut. Y'all forgive me. Coconut water. Yes, I will try you. I will eat you all up. Excuse my dorkiness. I am just being a complete ditz tonight. This is fun. I'm having fun. Oh, hell. Excuse me. I love me some cheese. This makes me so excited. Look at that. Low carb. One gram of carb for 2. Cheese, y'all. The only problem I have is I have a cow's milk sensitivity. What that means is I don't have lactose intolerance. Lactose doesn't bother me. There's something in the milk that causes me to break out if I have too much. So I take chances. I'm just risky like that. Ooh. Rosemary and sea salt. Thins. Wasa brand. Can y'all see? I'm sorry. Rosemary. Those look good. I gotta get me stuff to put on these. It has 2 packs in there. Okay. This. Oh, interesting. Now see, my housemate loves edamame. So I wonder if he'll like that. That is cool. Organic edamame spaghetti. Wow. That's different. Put that back in here. Go organically fruit snacks. Aloe. Oops. Kind of high on the carbs, but you know, what do you expect? Yeah. Okay. All right. And maple sugar. Okay. It's just, do you see it? Stupid light. It's just sugar. And there's 2 packs of those. Oh man. My first disappointment. Lower. Let's see what this is from. Oh, it's Italian. Lower. Stop it with the. I need. Y'all, it's white chocolate with milk cream filling and crisp wafer. I mean, it's not like I ain't gonna eat it, but you know, I'm not crazy about the white chocolate. Okay, here's the last thing. What is this? What is this? Bubble wrap. Oh, wow. That's nice. Extra virgin olive oil by Monini. Is 100% Italiano. Jeez. That is cool. We can use that. I use that all the time. All right. Hey, I am not hating this box, y'all. It had to be done. I'm being hazed. Okay. All right. I am going to eat everything in this box. All right. Well, that was, I feel, worth, of course, $10. But you know, if I don't cancel and I keep it, it'll be $20 next month. I'm not so sure isn't a bad deal still. I'm really excited about that. Here are recipes for the edamame spaghetti, kale pasta, kale cilantro pesto. I am just dumb today. Okay. The Maya Kaimal is $1.29 each. The maple sugar is $1 each. Explore Cuisine, the edamame spaghetti was $4.99. The Boom Chica Pop with sea salt is $1.39 each. So there's 2 of those. The candy bar from Italy is $1.99. The Go Organically fruit snacks are $3.99. The Dole fruit balls with the coconut water are $2.79. The olive oil is $10.99. I believe that, man, because the olive oil is expensive. The Cello Wisps cheese crisps are $3.99. These are expensive too. Cheese is expensive, so Wassa Thins are $3.19. I am happy with this bag box. Yeah. Wow. Very happy. All right. What y'all think? I'd love to know what you thought. And I will put a link down there in the How y'all doing? I can't talk today. My talker's broken. My brain is just like it's used up. It has no more energy to do anything. So talking is out. It's just gonna be a jumbled mess of words that don't even make sense. Okay. And my nose is itchy. My housemate had the flu this weekend, so I've been avoiding him. I mean, if he needed help, I help him. But I had a really bad cold, but I'm better now. Yeah. So tell me what you guys thought. I'll put in the description. That's the word. I'll put in the description the links and everything, and tell me what you think. Tell me if you liked it, if you thought it was worth it. Love to hear from you. I hope that you enjoyed watching, and I hope that you'll come back and watch more of my videos. And if you do, I would love it if you would subscribe. It would make me so very happy. Don't you want me to be so very happy? I'm not manipulative at all. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all, and we'll see you soon again at some point. I hope you have a great rest of the week, and I will talk to y'all soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.